Turn the music up a little. Grab your pencil and just vibe with me tonight. If you love art and music, hit subscribe and stay a while. Rain tapping softly on my window frame. Late night sketches while the city fades. Headphones on, I escape the noise, turning empty pages into something poised. Graphite shadows dancing in the light. Every line calm, my rest is mine tonight. No pressure here, just dreams on paper. Trying to build a better life layer by layer. I draw mountains when my soul feels low. Flowers bloom every time emotions flow. Music in my ears like therapy. Art and melody healing me peacefully. So stay a little longer. Feel the vibe inside. If this music calm your heart, come take this ride. Draw the night away with me. Lo-fi beats and peaceful dreams. If you feel this energy, subscribe and join the family. One pencil line at a time, turning dark skies into shine. Music and art set me free. That's where I'm meant to be. I don't need fame, I just need peace. A quiet little room and creative release. Sketchbook filled with unfinished thoughts. Every mistake become lessons taught. People scrolling fast through another day. Maybe the small drawing make them wanna stay. Maybe this beat helps somebody breathe. Maybe these words help somebody believe. Soft bass knocking while I shade the trees. Moonlight glowing through the autumn breeze. Every tiny detail feel alive somehow. And I'm still chasing bigger dreams right now. If you got a dream, don't let it fade away. Even masterpieces started with one simple shade. Draw the night away with me. Chill rap vibes and memories. If you love this art and sound, hit follow, don't leave now. Every sketch got a story to tell. Every beat break me out of this shell. One page closer to destiny. Music and art forever with me. Relax, draw, create, and I'll see you in the next sketch.